welcome to a daily vlog in the life of me, what I do in a day. I didn't want to speak early because there's people sleeping in my house and just didn't want to wake anyone up, so I'm out here bright and early. This morning is a little bit later than usual because I had to go get supplies from the coffee people, and usually I wake up at like 3:45 or 4 if I've got to prep food, but today I woke up at 5 and feel like very refreshed even though that seems really early. So here I am parked up. I'm outside like this beautiful mountain, and then it's just like I'm just on the side of the highway here so people can like pull over and get their coffee from my food truck. Sorry, it's really loud in here, so hopefully the audio turns out okay. So during the day I just do my business admin, so I go through all my emails, I'm checking on the people in my 6-week program. At the moment I'm doing the boring adult stuff. I'm entering all my receipts and like trying to learn how to like log my travel for the business and stuff. So it was quite confusing like at first. I just wonder like, does everyone else do this, or like, I don't know, it's like quite odd. But yeah, just trying to do all the paperwork and admin and stuff. And yeah, I just had this customer come by, and he's a veggie gardener, and he's dropping all his food off to the local fruit and veggie store, and he's like got all of his produce in the back of his car, so that was really cute. And then while I'm in here, I kind of just plan out the day ahead, and then make any more orders for the coffee that I need, look at what I want to cook for the next day, make my grocery list, and yeah, like, I don't know, if I'm talking to my friends, like contact them on social media or do my Instagram promotion posts. So I just do like random business stuff during the day, so I keep busy. But yeah, it's going really good so far. So when I get hungry for breakfast, usually not till a few hours after I start, I usually just have one of the meals that I've already prepared. So today I've got couscous and green herb salad, and I put nuts and stuff through it as well. So yeah, it's been actually excellent for my diet because the easiest thing for me to grab is salads and healthy slices. So yeah, it's been fantastic. So I forgot I had this today, but I just had my first ever proper appointment with a psychologist, a counsellor. I had been to one before in Auckland, I think only twice, but this is like a proper like mental health program thing that I'm doing. So I just decided that like I get all this like neck pain and stuff in my back, and I never go in to get massages, or like I never get my nails done, or like I don't get anything see I've been crying, don't really get anything done for myself, and then things start to build up and I get really stressed and overwhelmed, and I think I really need like a place to unload and have practical advice to help me through like certain situations, because I definitely feel very on edge when things go wrong and I don't understand how to do things in my business, or like all these different factors in my personal life, like missing my family and friends back home, and like everything. So I'm kind of I am looking forward to this, just to like get me back on track. And I've also not been like as motivated at the gym and stuff. Like I used to go like 5 to 6 days a week. I was so fit, and I still look the same, but I only go like twice a week and maybe do 1 walk a week, and it's just nothing like how I used to be. And I feel like when you're motivated in your exercise routine, you're like, I was more tidier in my everyday life, and like, yeah, easy to make healthy eating habits because you're like feeling good and probably more positive mindset and stuff. So she just recommended first step is like get back to the gym. So I'm trying to make my own program with like a week to week or day-to-day thing to keep things interesting and like spark the light back up inside, so it's more interesting and something I really look forward to. So yeah. Great, so that is lunch done and feeling kind of hungry, so I'm just going to have a little snack before the gym. Finally going to go and get it done. So I just made my own cashew yogurt. I used to do this when I was in Auckland, but this is a new recipe. So it's like blended cashews that have been soaked in water, lemon juice, a little bit of rice malt syrup, and a little bit of oat milk, and I'm pretty sure that's it. So super easy, and just have it with some berries and chocolate chips. Great, so that's that gym session out of the way. I never usually capture footage of me working out because I usually just go to the gym by myself, and then I just don't talk to anyone. I get in listen to my really intense music and get really angry about anyone that's annoyed me or any stress or emotions, and absolutely let it out. So usually I'm just there by myself. But yeah, I took my tripod in and I was like, oh my god, it's too embarrassing, maybe I just shouldn't do it, but F it, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to make this vlog and give you insights into my life and stuff. And I'm hoping to inspire you guys as well, and show you a little bit more about how I achieve my body, and how I look after myself and stuff like that. So that was really good, and I feel like I did a lot better since the psychologist appointment, to be honest. It's made me realize that the mental side of it is a lot more than we realize, and when we're bogged down by all our emotions and stress and worries about life, we can't really be motivated or clear-headed. So once we get that out of the way, release it off your chest and stay focused on a goal, then you're actually able to focus and lift heavier and concentrate for longer. So this is a lot better than I've been doing recently, so that's really awesome. Just nervous. He's a little baby. Little baby. Oh, he's got teeth now. His tongue. Hey. Oh! You're a baby. Oh, darling. I drove through roadworks and the whole food truck got splattered. You can see it in the distance there, got splattered with mud, so I'm just trying to wash that. But these are the hens. I just turned on the hose and they're so thirsty because it's so hot here. We used to keep them in a little coop, but once we started letting them out they were laying a lot more eggs, so I think it's good for them to have a more varied diet, like with eating insects and like different kinds of plants and stuff, so they're happy just roam around here. But they're so cute, and the rooster's actually really gentle. Like when you feed the hens, the rooster waits for all the girls to eat first. I don't know if it's just because he's shy or like if he's got a really nice nature, but yeah, it's really awesome. Bella, hey. Hey, darling. Hey. Hey. And this is my rescue piggy, Dexter. Hello, sweetheart. Hi. 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 You're a mummy's boy, eh? Hey. Oh. Oh. Hey, sweetheart. So these are the salads that I've made for tomorrow. So usually I have 1 or 2 salads and 1 or 2 slices. This one's a gluten-free pasta salad with sweet chili mock chicken and barbecue sauce and vegan mayo. And then that one is, looks very healthy, a kale, blueberry and beetroot salad. And I just put a bunch of seeds in there for some healthy fats as well. And lucky I caught this one before it got dark, but this is a flaxseed pudding parfait, which I've never made before. It's just got vanilla coconut yogurt and then ground flax mixed with unsweetened almond milk and a bit of rice nut syrup, and then topped with more yogurt and then berries and a little bit of trail mix. So this is going to be part of my new menu, so I'm going to promote it tonight. So very exciting. Okay, well that is it for today. I did want to show you guys a few more things. I was going to do a really hype DJ mix because I just got asked to play on a radio channel in New Zealand, which is super exciting. I'm so grateful, but I can barely stand after doing all that cooking and stuff, so I'm just going to have a glass of red wine to wind down. And I've got some invoices to pay. I've got to check in on the girls on my 6-week challenge, check my emails one more time, and I think there was something else, I can't remember, and then finish cleaning the room, have a shower, wash my hair, and then pack my bags for tomorrow. So I've still got like a few things on the list, but I'll start like relaxing instead of like listening to some really intense music and trying to dance around. So I hope you like this little vlog. I haven't really done anything like this before, so let me know if you like it or if you'd like to see more of these, or what kind of content you would like to see next, and subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.